Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ram 1500. First, make sure you have a set of reliable jumper cables and a vehicle with a fully charged battery. Park the donor vehicle close enough so the cables can reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both vehicles completely and engage their parking brakes for safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Ram 1500 battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of your Ram 1500, away from the battery. Once the cables are securely connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Ram 1500 battery. After 5 minutes, try starting your Ram 1500. If it starts, great. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order you connected them. Black negative from the engine block, then black negative from the donor, then red positive from the donor, and finally red positive from your Ram 1500. Let your truck run for at least 15 minutes. If your Ram 1500 doesn't start on the first try, double-check all your cable connections and try again. If it still won't start, or if the battery dies again soon after, you might have a more significant issue, like a failing battery or an alternator problem. It's always a good idea to have your battery and charging system tested by a professional to prevent future breakdowns. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.